violence in my behavior, that just be my prodigy. Trusting you, that just might be my toxic trait. You say we need to talk, you can't communicate. You said I'm being dumb cause I ain't wanna stay. You would've left me like you had in mind anyway. You thought a nigga was gonna switch you, I'm not.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. I got my cousin here with me, Regine. Yeah.
Definitely right.
Right, but we got our cousin over here, Ray. And we just with the Tims, and we finna get ready to test this food. I give y'all 1 through 10 rating. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and hit that bell with more notifications so we'll be dropping.
If y'all live in Memphis, I'm pretty sure. If you haven't,
Everybody live in Memphis?
no. This is a beauty.
We got honey gold. I mean, not honey gold. We got that golden one. That golden thing.
Mozzarella. They definitely look like they're gonna be a 2. And I think they'd be like what, Chinese or something?
What? These? Nah, she was Caucasian.
So maybe they're not supposed to be cooking. I'm gonna try one of these. That's how I can try to fry first.
We might well be bugged, man. Right. Not busting?
Maybe I was supposed to dip this in ranch.
Oh God, I'm looking like this. Y'all let us know in the comments if y'all dip y'all mozzarella sticks in ranch or marinara. I ain't gonna lie, when I go to Sunday, if I get some, I'll put mine in the mustard.
You know what? I think these taste like Sundays.
Don't do Sunday like that. If they not like Sunday, don't do Sunday like that.
Yeah, this might be Sundays. They borrowed these from Sunday. What you dip in? Marinara sauce?
Oh, you got a little salt on there. Like,
What is the bread you get? I don't know. It ain't nasty, but like it ain't like one of those.
what would you rate it? You say you go a 2?
It's still at 2 because it's not really something. I wouldn't order it. Would you order it?
No,
I don't know.
but
You gonna order it, wouldn't it?
Somebody was to die for me.
It's not fresh, and you can tell it's not fresh because the cheese isn't right. I don't know. I'm really thinking too, so could just, I don't know. Definitely gotta be a flat.
Sonny busting up. Sonny, you was having juice popping in there.
Okay. Wait, what?
Golden.
Honey. I don't really like presentation. Oh yeah, this on top. Fine.
Never judge a book by a cover.
But I'm gonna tell you something. Tim's is always fresh. It's really not fresh today.
No. You think it's good. It's good, but
there ain't no smoke coming out. But 9 times out of 10, they be fresh. But I don't know. But the chicken, listen, I need to try.
the way you never get the 6 piece, you know what I'm saying? With some food and that.
For one, because I'm full.
Yeah, I did eat.
I ate a big old chicken like that. Okay.
So is them just busting for real? Like, I love Chick-fil-A.
That's not.
But it's like the salad good.
I rate my salad 5.5 today.
For what?
Because I feel like they didn't put my stuff in my salad. And they gave me everything in the bag, like all this extra stuff that you would not even put in your salad. But
what kind of salad is it called? Because I know
I had a Cobb salad.
I was just saying exactly what Cobb salad. sure it's not fresh.
You know it's not fresh. You can tell because it's cooked.
But the first one was good because it was like soft. This shit.
We would have been real mad. We would have got our own food because we already not even hungry. We would have spent $30 and be mad because we ain't even hungry.
I ain't eating it later. No, I might take 5 and go. Shit.
Do y'all eat leftovers?
Put that in the comments for sure. If y'all eat leftovers, bro, I ain't gonna lie. The longest leftover I get is probably a day and a half. If it's if it's like 2 days
Where's
old,
the
I'm
half
not
coming
eating.
in at? What's the half?
Like say for instance, I eat some right now. Eat this right now. Fuck around, have this shit for tomorrow. We don't eat it until about 10.
So that's the half.
That's
Tomorrow is the half.
Today is the half. It's the half. The day already gone. Today is the half. Tomorrow is the whole day.
That's not really.
Half. What time is it?
A day and a half for leftovers would be the day you cook it, you don't count it. The next day will be the day, and the day after that will be the half. Look right. I think I'm right. I know. Today, the day that you cook it is not starting. Well, is that starting today?
Yes.
It's not starting.
So, like right now, it's starting today.
We talking about leftovers.
Yeah.
How long can it be left over? Just a half a day.
Yes.
Basically is what you're saying.
Yes.
That's crazy.
For me,
it's not
because
considered
like say
leftovers.
for instance, Thanksgiving food, bam. I eat Thanksgiving food that evening, bam. I don't eat it that night. Next you know I don't eat it the next day. I gotta eat it the next day though. If I don't eat it the next day, it's over with. I'm not eating it the day after that.
So the day Thanksgiving food is cooked, if you don't eat the next day, you're not eating.
Yeah, facts.
Niggas, Thanksgiving is a 7-day hold. Thanksgiving food automatically gets a 7-day hold.
No, oh
We eat
fuck
that
no. I get tired.
all week.
I ain't gonna lie. I used to do that shit, but I got tired of eating like dressing and shit like that. Keep on going on and on.
That's the
And
only
like I told you,
exception.
I've been off shit.
Thanksgiving. That's the only exception we get for
That's when people
for
get
me for
heavier.
eating liver. Get heavy.
I was eating heavy.
But Thanksgiving is only once out of the year. So how can that work stay?
You eating it 7 days. That shit gonna stay somewhere.
Well, you're not. You're just happy
What?
that you're
Oh,
not
facts.
eating.
I'm not eating it. Well, I guarantee you.
Oh, for sure. Until majority of it is gone. Once it start getting to the crust of the dressing in the pan, it's time to let that sit.
That shit take quiet. I'm like,
You just
God damn tired of eating this. Damn.
well, true.
I can't do it.
You just said you get by your 47 pounds. That's the problem. He's rich.
Ooh.
Face it.
Shit. I'm gonna tell you something. I think she's lying.
Damn, y'all know what?
No wonder.
Golden
She walk
chicken.
around with that dog all the
She is not. She got on the y'all.
But one time I
No.
waved at her. I swear, one time I waved at her, she did not wave back, and she was like, "Why she waved the day before?"
How many did we get?
What?
Okay. What's that juice? Oh, no. So you know math.
I looked at 2, 3. I was like, "We both had one." Nah, that ain't her. That ain't her. The lady I'm talking about next door to me, she got a pink one. But she waves sometimes, but she didn't know. So yeah, she ain't behind with me. But you know what the weird thing was? I swear to God, my driver when it snowed last year, and you know what's bad about rent is I still eat it. I'm black.
I can tell because you got some gas. Oh my God. Okay, so what you rating the chicken?
would have gave it a 0, it's like if it didn't have no meat on it. Because it wasn't just fire. It wasn't like, oh my god, fuck it, this shit fire. Nah, it wasn't like that, bro. And I feel like nothing is a 10.
Our first bite definitely.
No, it wasn't.
After these,
The sauce was like that. Then when I bit into it, it had a little something meat, but that second one really showed me. And when I heard it, I said, I bit the bone for the chicken.
so it's crazy. Okay, what about the fries?
What? Nah.
Nah, I'm God. He ate all the fries.
Nah.
They ain't lasting a day and a half.
I'm a fry lover.
Alright, eliminate.
Right?
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it's made like. You ain't tasting it yet?
Yeah, but I got all these flavors in my mouth. Right there. I got sea salt. I got gold salt. You know,
You eat chicken, you gotta eat chicken.
motherfucker said.
Nigga, you ain't even swallow.
7. 69.
Why?
Taste the fire. I don't know. I like juice with like Wendy's. Wendy's like that.
That's sour.
That's what I'm saying. That ain't sour. It's sweet, straight sweet.
Why do you know? So you like Minute Maid versus
Yeah.
hot tea?
Every time they ask me, I say
Minute Maid or hot tea? That is the ultimate decision. You say Minute Maid? That shit's nasty.
What?
Sour as fuck. I don't even think this celery is fresh.
Hey, Minute Maid. Y'all need somebody to promote y'all, bro. Like, she want to do it, but I would.
I definitely want it. I see you can holler.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, you gonna make a bank.
Yeah.
That shit when we was kids.
Everybody drink hot tea. Hot tea is like Kool-Aid.
Apple juice or orange juice.
I want to say apple juice, but that shit make your stomach hurt.
Shit, orange juice too. Orange juice gonna have you go to the bathroom.
No.
That's a detox drink.
Apple juice definitely is. That's why they give it to babies.
Damn, you just can't even go. That's tough. They got applesauce too. That's tough.
So apple juice or orange juice?
Apple? Okay. Shit out.
I'm gonna go with orange juice. What apple juice? And the surprising part is it's supposed to be my fave, but KC my fave too. So
Yeah, so she really man both sides, so it's cool. We love it though, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, with
she's
it.
a Capricorn, so you know. Okay, now, but
I bump head with Capricorn. And guess what?
fix your. Okay.
My mama Capricorn.
Exactly. You definitely know. Alright, question. You got an answer. You're supposed to say answer.
I supposed to say answer.
I said question. You're
I got an
supposed to say answer.
Answer.
But you didn't have an answer when I asked you didn't have one.
Bro, if y'all would have seen how long it took her to answer, I ain't gonna lie. She wanted me to answer it on point. Alright. I just hopped in the car. She like, no.
I said think fast. You gotta learn how to think on your feet. What was the answer?
1125.
What was the math problem?
365 times.
That is not the math.
Damn!
That's not the math. What was the math problem?
I don't know. It was 3 something.
375 times 3.
I'm thinking 365 minutes a year. I almost had it.
I like that. That was smooth.
So you thinking fast, thinking fast.
But a year is not. 3 years is not. 12 days.
I know.
So why would you say?
Because I wasn't thinking that for a year. Like I was thinking fast to the point of 365 in a year. I didn't add it. That's what I didn't get to.
It's concerning. The education is school taught you in high school.
I went to Wooddale. So. Anybody with the Wooddale, y'all should agree and be like, shit, it is what it is.
I won't talk about that. That is not a private school. That is definitely black and white. It's not private at all. Thank you. But y'all, Tim's is definitely a go-to. I feel like we kind of gave them a bad review.
I know we did.
But
we
I've
gotta keep it
never
real.
given them a bad review though. Like until today, like I've had good reviews.
Me too. But,
I've never had an experience like today, and I hadn't eaten there in years.
you know what other video we need to do then? We need to make a part 2 of Tim's. Give it Tim's a second chance.
Maybe lunch.
Yeah, that means they're gonna be cooking for sure. Because right now it look like they was just like shit. Give them that chicken, we get out.
Yeah. That chicken definitely sitting in the best kind of grease. And fries.
Let me see. Hold on.
And my sticks was already in me.
Where I sent you. Okay. What is your top 5 on your bucket list? Thanks.
You go first.
Mine gonna be off the dome though. Top 5. What she said? One, I want to be camping.
Okay, so it could be little shit like that. Okay, go.
I ain't jumping on my plane, so this shit there. Camping, hunting. I want to go to I want to go 1 year to Rolling Out, like sleeping on the beach. Rolling Out or either spring break. I just want to go to the spring. So that's 3.
You said 5.
And we're gonna say 5 for next year then. So we gotta make sure we do it. You gotta make
Next
sure
year?
Yes.
Nigga,
No, you just gotta pick 5. You ain't gotta go exclusive. We just talking about next year, so they could be on your bucket list of getting your shit done, getting your stuff done for next year.
alright, cool. You got 3. Keep going.
Where you go?
First of all, can we comment on each other? You ain't going to fucking hunt.
Yes, I am.
No, you not.
Put money on it.
Dude, you not going hunting.
Put money on it.
Hunting?
Bro, they think just because I'm light skinned, like I
Fuck
don't
that.
want to do this shit.
You not going camping.
What?
Nigga, you gonna sleep outside.
Put money on it.
$100.
It's for $100. Man, look.
$100.
Y'all get this video to 50 likes. Get this video to 50 likes. I'm going camping.
Y'all see, because
And that's how I know I gotta do it, because I'm not finna cap my people out.
okay.
I'm not finna cap. I'm going camping, bro. At least one day, or at least like a night, like half of a night or a night or something.
And now he's trying to say
Okay,
half of a night.
whole
Because
night.
his ass is not gonna stay all night.
Whole night. Whole night. I just it's over. Whole night. Okay.
$100.
$100. Damn, she finna really pay me $100. Now I really got it.
I'm not.
You put money on that.
First of all.
You put money on like
You're
threads.
not gonna go camping by yourself.
Bro, I would go with somebody.
So I want you to tell me
I would go with somebody.
who in the family is finna go sleep out fucking side with you. Nigga, nobody.
On me. I feel like KC would.
He definitely. Oh, you a goofy.
On me, I feel like KC
Call
would.
me. He's not going camping. Do you know that camping? Alright,
What? Camping what?
this the bed. Let me say the bed.
No.
$100.
Hell no. You ain't gonna make my bet. The fuck?
$100
You gonna make my bet?
if you go camping. Okay, you get your 50 likes. You going.
K.
Cousin.
I got a question, bro, and it's
No,
a real
FaceTime
question.
them.
It's a real question, bro. All right, I'm with right now. So okay. Would you, yes or no? Would you think about going camping with me, bro, for the YouTube vlog? Thank you. Fuck you, come out. Oh, I told you.
Shut the
I
fuck
said.
up. KC, he gonna try to say for the YouTube vlog. KC,
That's
you
what
would
I'm
not,
doing it for.
KC, you would not sleep outside, cuz.
Casey, I told her.
You sleeping outside.
Casey,
nigga.
I told the YouTube people 50 likes, I'll go camping next year. Fuck.
I wanna see this. I wanna see both of y'all set the camera up and sleep y'all ass outside with bugs.
We ain't even gotta sleep, we just out there. Getting hot is, I mean, look. On me, a bear ain't gonna come. On me.
You know what? Okay, fuck it. I don't care.
And I know if KC do it, we can get some more folks to do it on game, because on me, it's lit. Alright, cuz, I'm gonna hit you up. We doing a YouTube video. Alright. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Play the self. Play the self. Now she just lost 100. I just needed one person to go. Now you lost 100. I'm already had that buyout with me. You know what I'm saying?
It don't matter.
Then it's for y'all. What I wouldn't do for y'all, bro. Let's be honest here. What I wouldn't, nah, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all probably be true. But come on, bro.
Well, it's fine. And screaming. And all I had was water. If they do decide to go camping and they succeed one full night in camping, I'd go with them the next time. Nah, I'm lying. Okay, my bucket list is I'm not sleeping outside no fucking bugs, nigga. We from Memphis. Like, what the fuck? Okay, anyway. Yeah.
See, that's the problem. They always say we from Memphis. Yeah, we from Memphis, but fuck it. It's for y'all. See, she ain't gonna do what, you know what I'm saying, what I'll do for y'all. You know what I'm saying? She gonna be like, fuck y'all.
I'll come visit. I'm a guest. I'm not sleeping outside. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's good enough for me. If she come see the vlog, it's good enough for me.
Yeah, because they'll laugh at me when I get the itching and shit from bugs. But my my bucket list would be 1, Dubai. So when you tried to say we had to do it by next year, my lord. So I would say Dubai. My second one would probably be zip lining or some sort, because I'm scared of heights. So that would probably be something I would just want to do. My third one would probably be what would be my third one? I'd probably do like rolling out or something like you said. Any type of setting where concert, any type of little vibe or some stuff like that, because I don't do big crowds, so I probably do that. And then 4 would be camping. I was like,
she really low key wanna go, bro.
The fourth one would be.
She's scared of bugs, bro.
What else did you say you would do? Nah.
Hunting easier though. Like this way, you ain't gotta stay out there, and you long range, like. Baby. I ain't talking about going over there and trying to wrestle a fucking hog.
The fourth one.
And you shoot.
The fourth one would be a yacht, I guess.
That's
yacht.
Bro, we need a cousin trip to get on.
We definitely do. We need.
That's lit.
I only got 4. I ain't got 5. Fuck it.
I still gotta give 2. Well, I name a place. Damn, it's like 3. I want to go to Puerto Rico, Hawaii, or Jamaica. Like in the next probably like 3-5 years.
Puerto Rico, Jamaica, or Hawaii.
Yeah.
I can agree with that.
Because I just be going for the experience, bro.
Not my leg.
Yo, this YouTube video with my cousin. What you doing? Run to that jump in. Yeah, run to that jump. Bare feet. I'm talking about Flintstone. Alright, man, just hit me up. Ask about 2 more questions and then we're gonna get ready to end the video. Who is what is your favorite artist and who is your favorite artist? What album made it and why?
Album?
Yeah.
I definitely don't know albums, y'all.
We're not talking about no album. We just talking about like, say for instance, goddamn, Moneybagg Yo, she was like Heartless because this song.
Heartless.
Yeah.
That was the album?
Yeah.
See, I wouldn't know because I don't know albums.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
So you literally don't know album.
No, I don't. I just, if it's a trending song and I like it, then I listen to it. I actually like when people say that they drop something, like I don't go and type it in or whatever like that. But my favorite artist right now would have to be Big Boogie.
Big Boogie. Okay.
I don't know his albums, but
Big Booty.
All his songs is a banger to me. Like every single song he dropped.
Nah, Big Boogie be talking this stuff though.
I love Big Boogie. I feel like he underrated. I feel like you niggas be hating on him. So.
Big Boogie hard though. Like,
I love Big Boogie.
I mess with what's that song I used? Damn, got me fucked up. They used to
you like I like all boogie music.
I like all boogie music. It just be like I like some that's just songs that be hitting harder for me, bro. Yeah. Like I like that, that pop shit. I like all them hoes. Like.
But his target audience to me is women. But I feel like he try to switch it up and target the men as well. But like they hate on him so much that they don't relate to nothing he fucking says because they just don't like boogie. But I like boogie in any aspect. And I feel like he should be rated further than what he is right now. But yeah, that's my opinion. What's yours?
Bag.
Moneybagg?
What?
I don't know all Moneybagg music.
I don't know. It is some people out here.
But I do like Show Liz, he just did.
But I like all his old shit. I can sing word for word. That nigga got me through some shit. But I'm telling you, when I was down, no, Rod Wave. I ain't gonna lie. Rod Wave is hard. Shout out Rod Wave, but I ain't gonna lie. Listen, Rod Wave slick had me in a place I didn't want to be.
Rod Wave will have your ass in the dark, nigga.
No cow. That's why I had to lean off him a little bit, but I still play my boy. What it is? Taking trips to Calabasas, yeah. That's my shit. You remember me and KC?
You know what?
No. Okay, one more. Alright. What would you do? What would you do if you won the lottery today, but you can't include your family? Like, not the first thing you do.
Wait, what is the first thing
Like, say for instance, somebody took your phone and you won the lottery. You not, you know what I'm saying? You know where your phone is, but it's like, you can't call your people and tell them yet. So you literally got to think about what you finna do. Like,
go get the money. Oh, I already got the money?
You already got the
money. Shit.
Because the first thing I know normal people do, man, I'm finna get a call my mom, I'm finna get a call my son, I'm finna call dad, I'm finna call. Nah, you ain't finna call nobody. What would the first thing you do?
Probably go eat. Because
that's live like though. That's a humble question though.
To process, like I would probably go eat as a normal person. I wouldn't over order. I wouldn't buy too many drinks. I'd probably go eat and really think. Because I think your first thoughts when it comes to stuff like that won't be your best decisions.
Yeah.
So I'll probably go
eat. Because my decision was just.
Now I probably won't over order or nothing like that, but I definitely go to like Hooters or something. Some strawberry Hennessy, get my mind together, my thoughts together. You said the first thing.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, so that's what I do. What'd you do? I see you now. You bought the whole fucking city. Just slow.
I ain't gonna lie. The first question, until you said like the first answer you give, it's not gonna be the right one. The first thing I would just say, I'm gonna get a ticket and get the fuck out of Memphis.
Well, that would be a best decision now.
Yeah, but first, yeah.
A ticket out of Memphis. Period. I can feel that.
Ticket out of Memphis and
feel
tell,
that.
and then you can call and be like, hey, look, pull up. I got y'all flight. You hear me? I got 10 people flight.
I feel it.
So, but
I feel that. So.
But what I was about to say, I better say buy a building.
A building? Why? What?
Because like I want to have like me. I just be thinking about a lot of investing in myself. I always think about investing.
See,
in myself.
that's stuff that I would think about while I'm eating.
That's why I said first thing I can't just go back.
I don't want to just make, you know what I'm saying, pocket hot decisions. Like, I need the money to, you know what I'm saying, I'm finna do this, I'm finna do that, I'm finna do that. Like, shit, you have to sit there and think and like be humble because.
But you just won a lot. That's like 90 mil. 90 bills.
But you want to figure out how to recycle. You got to be able to recycle your money too.
Yeah. Recycling is always the best way.
I'm doing a YouTube video right now. I'm filming a YouTube video right now. You must be lit. Mom, if you was to win $1 million, what is the right now? But you don't have your phone. So you can't contact family. What is the first thing you think you would do?
Like purchase or something.
No, she said go buy a phone so I can contact my family.
Now that's cold though.
And your phone is not lost or broke, baby.
Nah, it ain't.
You
got it.
You're not by your phone to call your family. What is the first thing you're going to do? Like, what is the first logical thing? 100,000 to the church.
It's lit though.
And pray God gonna turn it around.
You're gonna flip it.
She the one. She said, and then I'm gonna give money to my children, and then I'm putting the rest in the bank. Y'all heard her. Period.
That's lit. That's lit.
My first thing I'm gonna do is go eat. That's what I said. I'm going to eat, so I can think about, baby, how I'm gonna spend this money. Do you hear me? What was yours? I forgot.
Flight?
Oh, flight. Man.
I'm catching a flight.
He said flight out of Memphis.
That's why I'm gonna get my mind right in.
Yep. Yeah. What was that? What other question did we have?
Pet peeve. Man.
What's your biggest pet peeve? Dumb people. Mine's is smacking. I hate when people smack. And he was smacking as soon as we started the video. And it made me eat.
And if we catch her inside the video smacking, I'm gonna make sure we show you.
I was not smacking. I was not smacking. I know I was smacking because you started smacking before I can even eat a mozzarella stick.
If y'all heard her yum yum, put a yum yum in comments.
It's good. Wait, where is it? She's in Texas. She said best seafood place to eat.
Okay.
Laughing Crab. Laughing Crab in Texas. If y'all in Texas, try it. It's really good. All right, I'll call you as soon as I get in the car. Love you. So yeah.
Hold on. He called mine.
You been ask your mama? Period.
She might. I better say, what's your biggest pet peeve? She might say me. Hey Mom, we doing this YouTube video right there. I'm in the car right. So if what was the last one?
No, if you won $1 million.
Nah, not $1 million. If you won $90 million.
No, we said.
I told you. I said the lottery. I'm not saying this. $1 million. If you won the lottery, if you didn't have your phone,
you don't have it.
You don't have your phone, but you know where it's at, but you cannot do nothing with your phone right now. They cannot be the first thing. What are you gonna do?
If I won the lottery.
If you won the lottery. If you won the lottery and you couldn't use your phone, like you know where your phone is, but you cannot touch your phone until you do your first thing to access your family. You gotta do something first before you get your phone and talk to your family. What is you doing?
I'm going to put it in.
Mo, you can't do nothing with your family. Okay, Carl, we talk about anything deal with family, mama. We know the first thing a person gonna say is family. No, what else is you doing, like? Buy you a house?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel it. Okay, so now, what is your biggest pet peeve?
What do you mean biggest pet peeve?
Like your biggest pet peeve? What you can't stand? Like what the most?
Gets
Like,
under your skin.
yeah.
I can't stand people that talk about people and then be in their face. That's a real pet peeve for me.
So fake.
Fakeness.
You can call it fake, yeah.
Okay, appreciate you.
Mine is smacking because he be smacking and that's irritating.
He what?
Mine is smacking and he be smacking when he eat.
Oh, yeah, irritating. Yeah, because he always know because when I get smacking and I'm eating, he always say, oh, Mom, you gotta smack that loud?
I know he ain't said.
Yes, he do.
All right, Mom, we're gonna talk to you later.
Right.
All right.
It was hereditary.
Hey,
Oh my gosh, that is funny.
kids, don't be a hypocrite. But
Who is it?
that's about me, bro. Okay,
Yeah.
I smack, bro. I am, bro. Yeah. You tell my mom that I smack, but I
Susan
smack.
gonna laugh for me. My God. Cause that Chick-fil-A was just
She got the
bothering.
gas. She got the gas. She hopped out with that gas on my boy. He got a crush. She about that in a challenge on my boy. He grabbed it. But you gotta grab the boots.
Look,
Yeah, man.
I'm
Kids. Man, let's stop stalking. Hey, thank y'all again for coming, chilling with us. Shout out to Ray, my cousin. She came through. We did a mukbang for Tim's, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. And y'all put in the comments if y'all want to see more Ray.
y'all better want to see me, baby.
If y'all don't want to see Ray, just say or say no. Feel me?
If y'all say y'all want to see me, we going camping.
Say that
Thanks.
shit. You say that.
We
Say
all
that.
going camping.
She gonna cap though. She cap.
100 likes, I'm going fucking camping.
I said 50.
And I'm sleeping outside.
Alright. Well, y'all got her word, bro. Till next time, bro. Vibe with Izzy.
Listen, my behavior, that just be my prodigy. Trusting you, that just might be my toxic trait. You say we need to talk, you can't communicate. You said I'm being dumb, cause I ain't one